But they're always blurry pictures, though, aren't they?
Like the Yeti, abominable snowman. That's a word I can't say.
I'm sorry. The what?
I have to say it so slowly because I can't say it. Abominable. Yeah, anemone.
The anemone, the snowman.
Yeah, him.
Before I forget to mention it, next time you meet, we catch up and you meet the missus, right? Make sure you ask her.
I'm not going to call her anything.
No. What is the name? What's the name of the lead dinosaur in Jurassic Park? King of the dinosaurs. What is it? Don't say it because she'll go off and practice this now. But when you see her, I'm just going to give you T-Rex, right? But I want the full name.
Can she not say the
Nah,
full...
mate. She's with you, but it's a dinosaur. She can't do it.